Molweni namkelekile nonke gwazethisabe entertainment because of Think Smart Productions uyasincisha i-content ezezingane zesithembu. Guess what guys, mna ndizofika ndifilishe in igap and be updating you guys on the life of izingane zesithembu. So namhlanje in today's video sizobe sidingida umpumelelo Vuyokazi as well as Utirelo. So masiqaleni ke ngoVuyokazi because uVuyokazi recently uye wasixelela into yoba uyahamba uya eTurkey Istanbul, okay? Bayo celebrate ke i-10 years of ke, you know, a healthy wellness and all those things, guys. I'm sure nibonile i-poster yakhe, especially if ungumuntu ke omfollowishayo. But before that, there is something and then I notice again a poster on her Facebook page, right? Uvuyokazi sizokhumbula the last few videos I was posted up on YouTube wayesixelele ke as i-followers zakhe into ba kukhona ke umuntu ohlekisana naye, but lo muntu ke ahlekisana naye is not South African, ungumuntu ke wase Washington ke bademenza nekholi kwakumnandi ke. Now recently Uvuyokazi has been posting on her Facebook about the ups and the downs of Umjolo, which is a hlebi to such an extent that some people are of the view that umhlawumbi seyihlukene ke nesoka lakhe lasemazweni p Washington ke, guys. So Yilena ke ebe into yenza into bakube giveaway that she might be a single somebody, she might be a single baddie, okay? Uyawaposta wathi inkinga uyawaposta ke wathi number 1 inkinga siyanqakuza when we're in love umuntu becomes a top tier bar, uvele ube ibar jonga ingqondo zivele zingasebenzi. Then ke waphinde ke waposta yet another post on the same day noba ke this day ke wayefokofa emenze something umuntu wase Washington wabhala ke uVuyokazi wathi nefamily xa ikujongile babona ibhari baya kuhleka xa umkile nomfana naye uye enze njani ahleke nefamily. Kuhlekwa bani? Kuhlekwa wena ngomjolo ke lowo. Now guys, I did see some people commenting saying umhlambi uVuyokazi is responding to the people that have been saying makabuyelane nobani nompumelelo. I don't think that's the case. I don't think Uvuyokazi would even entertain such comments whereby Umpumelelo ebe Cape Town birthday kamhlopekazi. I really genuinely don't think le as posted ziqonde kuMpumelelo umseleko. I 100% feel like ziqonde kwisoka lakhe lase Washington elinjani eli brand new, you guys. So ke abantu they were commenting different things. Some were laughing, some could relate, some thought that it's Mpumelelo. It's like to throw a jab at Mpumelelo, of which I highly doubt that was the case. Another thing trend after Mhlopekazi's birthday would be iDecor lady Usnazo and her team, basically because they were sharing a lot of videos as Mhlopekazi, and a lot of her fans, Vuyokazi's fans, were like, we are not happy that Usnazo shared a post ezininzi zamhlopekazi. Such posts should have been shared by either Umpumelelo okanye uVuyokazi mselufu, to which ke uVuyokazi responded and said, guys, my loves, this was not a photo shoot. 1.1, it was not a photo shoot. It was Mhlopekazi's birthday party. I gave everyone permission to share their special moments with her. It is not that deep. We were all celebrating after all. So ebephendula ke aba bebesithi Usnazo umabhiliyoni decor lady did not have any authority indoba ashere iposti zikamhlopekazi. So uthi guys, wonke umuntu I gave them permission. So finally ke izolo, it was ibirthday kamhlopekazi, guys, and Uvuyokazi posted as well as udadakhe ke ekumpumelelo naye ke uye waposta. I'm just looking for that particular post, you guys. That's why I'm looking down on my iPad. So uye waposta ke nompumelelo and the caption was, happy birthday ndodakazi. Oh, guys, how cute. Anyways, ke kuye kwakhomenta obviously ke uMayeni what a happy birthday my Popiza, and then uNdlunkulu Makale naye uye wakhomenta, and she said happiest birthday Mhlopekazi, and the amount of derogation they were doing to uTirelo, the amount of unnecessary derogation ke sana kukhona abebethi ke uTirelo uyazenzisa. She does not mean to wish ungenaphi umhlophekazi ko relationship kaVuyokazi noTirelo. Where does the child enter? I just want to know that. Some people were saying you are the reason as to why Umpumelelo did not have a prior the birthday, right? You are the reason as to why Umpumelelo. Why can't Umpumelelo take, you guys make him take full accountability? Why funeke soloko ni blame another female for impazamo ze male? Why? So in as much as of course there were those people that were saying uTirelo uyazenzisa for wishing umntana innocent soul a birthday, obviously there were also those that were coming forward to share that wow Tirelo, you've really grown unenhliziyo enhle. Other mamazalas or other mamkhulus would not be wishing umntana wendoda yabo ke happy birthday. So yeah ke guys, ihambe kanjalo ke ibirthday kaMhlophekazi. I did also see trends zazininzi. Umpumelelo ke did manage to bring uMhlophekazi and uNzulu ibag yakwa Akamenzi. Guys, in the social media you will not finish it if uzonaka everyone speaking on social media, because they were calling him out for actually buying impahla zakwa Akamenzi for umntana abantwana bakhe, saying that he could have done better impahla zakwa Akamenzi don. And I'm thinking to myself, if you could go to the profile pictures of those people speaking, impahla nabo abazithengi ko Earthchild impahla. Sendithetha ngaba ke ngoku abebegxeka uMpumelelo for trying, for being a present father, for bringing something on the table. They do not even go Earthchild. Banxiba nathi koDunusa, guys. Can we just be realistic for once? Like why not Akamenzi? Nonke ngoku abantwana benu abasanxibi koJet, nonke ngoku abantwana benu abasanxibi koPep and Akamenzi. Social media is just a lot, but nonetheless, you guys, birthday kaMhlophekazi, it was beautiful. So a huge massive congratulations to Vuyokazi and Umpumelelo for making birthday yomntana wabo a success and blocking out the noise from social media people. So yanazo indaba zehorror, guys. Your thoughts? Ndiyacela maske engage.